Eochairfhocail, my name is Mr. O'Sullivan. An Spailpín Fánach Eochairfhocail Ordlevel. Sail crew na Spailpíní, the hard life of the labourers. Cahach go fásach leis na Héarnig. The Irish were treated terribly. Ag láva na Sassanach, at the hands of the English. Sanoch du hísh, in the 18th century. Le linn na bain dlíthe, during the penal laws. Dlíthe a gwine na Gatlachach. Laws against Catholics. Bhí na Héarnig, the Irish had to obair mar scláva, to work as labourers. Spailpíní, another word for labourers. Bíd na Sassanig a bhí freigrach as. It was the English that were responsible for. Bhí farag ag bora. Anger was swelling. Idrón na Sassanach, towards the English. Tug their leirú doing, an insight is given to us. Cúnshi aibra na Spailpíní, the working conditions of the labourers. Tá orthú obair, they must or they have to work. In Eochairfhocail, in bad weather. Bróite go minic, sick often. Cáiríonn na lug animnach a linn. The place names help us. A hishkent to understand. Faimid iavá, we get an image. Ag tashtal ag gonger is again, travelling far away and close. Ag lorg ibre gasiri, continually looking for work. Ní more than a Spailpíní, the labourers have to or must. Na hainty hirála, the hiring markets. Óna ferramóri, mora, from the big farmers. Níl más dá leid ag na ferramóri mora. The big farmers haven't the least bit of respect. Tá niv sanol ag na Spailpíní dóibh. The labourers bear a grudge against them. Mar thora sin, as a result of that, farag agus náire, anger and shame. Le mothú, to be felt. Tá náire na Spailpíní. The labourers are ashamed. Tuis go bhfuil orthú, because they have to. Dul ag sclábhaíocht, to go labouring. Le haig na verramóri mora, for the big farmers. Come on dawn mar órán. The poem was composed as a song. Is léirge, it is clear that. Rihin rihim an heol tríad. The rhythm of music runs through it. Cáiríonn rím, rhyme helps. Le bá a cothú oning. To foster sympathy within us. Dun Spailpín, for the labourer. Tá cuarda derig le cloistáil. Bardic end rhyme is to be heard. Uim, alliteration. Slán live.